This presentation gives you some idea about ABO RH blood group typing. The method by which we can differentiate A blood group, B blood group, O blood group, AB blood group and RH blood group. I usually done at the student laboratory for gaining some knowledge about how the blood grouping is done. But it must be understood that for the purpose of transfusion and to find out the RH incompatibility disease during the pregnancy of the fetus and the mother, then very accurate clinical testing done in laboratories using different methods, even some more antibodies in addition to what are used in the general student laboratory test are used in the clinical testing laboratories. Now here in the laboratory, 3 antibody sera are used, which may be available in the blood group test kits available commercially, so which may provide you anti-A antibody serum, anti-B antibody serum. Similarly, you may have one more container with anti-D for the purpose of distinguishing RH blood groups, RH positive and RH negative. Now if you see here a simple explanation for how the blood grouping is done based on the agglutination process, and then how the blood groups may be distinguished. Now you can take a glass slide, a clean glass slide. Even it may be a cavity glass slide. Now here if you see, just for a model I have put it, but anyway this is a part of microplate, usually used even with lot of cavities in clinical testing laboratories. But anyway, just to show you how the cavity would be, I have put it here. Now in each cavity you can put the anti-serum. Now here simply to say, at one cavity you put a drop of anti-A serum, and another cavity with anti-B serum, and then another cavity with anti-D serum, and then with the help of a needle you can prick at the cleaned finger, and then the blood samples may be poured on to the anti-sera on the first cavity with the A anti-sera, second cavity with the anti-B sera, third cavity with the anti-D sera. And then you can mix this anti serum and the blood sample with the separate toothpicks. Then after some time for agglutination process, you can observe the slide of each drop. Now if the drop shows agglutination at anti-A serum, but there is no agglutination with the anti-B serum, and here you see agglutination with the anti-D serum. Now in this case, where there the agglutination occurs, you can assume that it belongs to that group. So if there the agglutination occurs with anti-A, then you can assume it to be blood group A. And then there is no agglutination with the anti-B. Accordingly, there is no possibility for the presence of B antigen. And the agglutination at anti-D serum indicates you RH positive, which is designated as RH plus. And now here, if there the blood group is of B type, there may not be agglutination with the anti-A, and the agglutination may occur at anti-B. There also, if you find along with this agglutination with the anti-D serum, then you can assume the blood is of B type, and regarding the RH factor, it is RH positive. If there the possibility for observing agglutination both with the anti-A and anti-B, regarding this ABO system, you can assume of AB blood group. And the agglutination with this anti-D indicates RH positive. And in some more case, you may not find agglutination with both the anti-A as well as anti-B. In such case, you can consider it is of O blood group. And then the O blood group also may show the agglutination with anti-D, where you can assume it to be RH positive. And these are all also the possibilities. When the RH is negative, you see in these 4 slides, there is no agglutination with anti-D, and difference with agglutination at B and A site. If there is the agglutination with A, assume it to be A and no B. And agglutination at the B and not with the A, then it is of B blood group. But along with this, if you observe this anti-D drop, then if there is no agglutination, it will be of RH negative. In the same way, regarding ABO system, because of the agglutination at both A as well as B, assume it to be AB blood group, but possibility for RH minus negative because of the absence of agglutination. And then in this case, there is no agglutination at all the 3 drops of anti-A, anti-B and anti-D. Accordingly, you can consider the blood group is O as well as negative for RH. Agglutination nothing but the clumping of RBC due to the effect of antibodies applied. Now here I have given simply what are the requirements for making such a simple test at student lab level. And then as the practical instruction, these are some important instructions to be followed for, even though it is of a student lab test, you have to follow these instructions. One of the important thing is, if the blood is fresh, then result will be good, better compared to that of the stored blood. In case if the blood sample is taken with an anticoagulant and then kept at 4 degrees Celsius is important, and also the test must be conducted within 48 hours to have a good result. Otherwise, there the agglutination process may get disturbed. And then if there the temperature is 37 degrees Celsius and more, that would weaken the reaction. So the temperature must be less than 37 degrees Celsius. And then there is no doubt the tube slides must be kept dry and properly labeled. Otherwise there would come confusion whether it is of A drop or B drop or D drop, that way. And one more thing to be noted is antibody serum must be dropped first during the test process, then over the drop you can add the blood sample. And these are some important points connected to blood group. So called Landsteiner, called the father of blood grouping and immunochemistry, who discovered ABO system in 1901 and awarded Nobel Prize in Physiology and Medicine in 1930. And then even though Karl Landsteiner first discovered in 1901, later on it was described into such 4 types, A, B, AB, O types by the scientist John. And then nowadays the research is going on to develop artificial blood, nothing but removal of antigen from the RBCs, A antigen and B antigen, to make it good as like that of a universal donor. So here, based on this agglutination and no agglutination, you can find this type of blood groups. So if the A blood group is also positive for RH, then the symbol for RH is plus, written as a suffix to blood group symbol, A plus. Similarly, if it is negative, RH negative, then you can put a minus suffix to A. So that way, adding the status of RH to the status of ABO blood group system, you can find 8 types of blood among human this way: A positive, B positive, AB positive, O positive, and A negative, B negative, AB negative, O negative. There may be the general statement, prevalence of negative is somewhat less. Anyway, possibility is there in any population of human to have these 8 types of blood groups. And the blood grouping is very important regarding the transfusion process, and to find out whether the fetus having any disturbance of RH incompatibility disease due to the antibodies produced in the body of RH negative mother against RH positive fetus developing inside due to the transmission of RH antigen, RHD antigen from fetus to mother circulation.